It is plus 12. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So I'm running around. Let's see. I looked at the weather yesterday. I haven't checked it again this morning, but I looked at it yesterday and it said that it was going to be minus 17 at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Now right now it's pretty early in the morning. So I've let everyone out so that they can enjoy running around and getting some proper exercise. And man, did they ever. This was not like a snow day. They ran out of that coop and off they went, and they're all way back here. At about 7 degrees yesterday, Celsius. There was almost no snow anywhere, and if you look behind me, like, it's just so beautiful here. It's so beautiful. I forgot how beautiful it was. So now that the snow is gone, I can definitely see how much of a mess I have to deal with, and we are going to go to minus 17 in a few hours, so I am going to do a quick cleanup to make sure that when it does melt again in spring, that whatever I've got here will be composting correctly. This pile I've turned over a few times. This was from fall, and you can see that it almost looks like black gold. It's really, really nice, whereas this pile over here is fresh poop. So what I need to do is just scoop that up, put it together, and then turn it over a few times. So combine both piles. It's not hard. There's not that much. I mean, actually, this is all we've got from the last, what, 3 months, I guess? How long has it snowed here? Ooh, not even. It's been like 6 or 8 weeks that we've actually had snow because it snowed really, really late this year. I did go ahead and scratch out the barn in Russell's space and in the chicken coop, remove everything, make it all nice. Bo is making some nest beds that are going to go on the outside of the coop, so we're going to extend it because my hens are about 16 weeks at this point, so they should be laying eggs any day. 17 to 18 weeks is best, so you know, we might have a week or two, but I really want to be prepared for that. So he is going to go ahead and start building the coop, the nest boxes, and the duck box will go underneath so that they have more room. They've also gotten bigger, so I want to turn their perch right now, or if you've seen before, their perch is just a small one. It's just it's kind of like a training perch for little guys, but I want to make it bigger so that the rungs of the perch are at least 12 inches apart and in a nice incline, so the birds aren't really, you know, dropping stuff on top of each other while they're sleeping, so everybody has lots of space. So that's important too. So that means that the nesting and baby kind of brooding area in there will move out. So this is the perfect time too, because we have piles of wood, beams and workable, usable wood all over the place that was kind of just deposited here and there, and then the snow came and it buried everything. So today I woke up and went, oh my goodness, the wood, you can see it, you can get it out, you can move it. So let's organize that, let's get on top of that. And this is live edge white cedar. So these pieces are really great to build a little raised bed over there where I'm going to put all the compost. We'll do that in a later video. This is just want to collect the wood today. So these, I've already pulled these out of the forest, and they're definitely not put in where they should be, and it's not perfect, or at least they're not in the way they should be. But it's so wet that I thought, you know what, I'm just going to place them here. Like literally just pick them up and place them, and I'll step on them for a while, and I'll see in spring if I still like the placement, and then maybe I'll dig them in, or they might actually sink into place because it is so wet, and this is going to come back. So this is something I can solve right now, or I can solve it in spring. It doesn't make much difference, but I have to walk through here now, and I don't want to be destroying the grass. So I put these in. I've got a few more. I might do a little more. So I want to put these here. Okay, my actual tip for the day. There is a tip in here somewhere. We have a really slippery path going right down the middle up to that door. It's incredibly slippery. It seems like that's where Russell walks and where we all walk all the time. So it's really packed in. So I've taken some straw and sprinkled that across so you've got a little bit of grip. I don't want to use ash, obviously, that wouldn't be good for anybody's feet, and you don't want to use salt, but the straw and the hay is the best option. I have it, so I'm just using the stuff that's dirty. It's all over the place anyway. If I turn around here, you can see behind me, I've got it everywhere. I put it out so that the chickens don't have to walk directly on the snow. The chickens and the ducks, they don't want their feet to get cold, and it also gives a little bit of grip. Well, guess that was that. It rained. All the chickens ran in their coop. I got the garbage together. Wasn't very much of it at all. Pulled out a few pieces of wood. We're gonna have to postpone the duck house because it's raining like crazy, and Bo is kind of on strike. He doesn't like to work in the rain. Thanks for watching. I'm Scarlett, and I'll see you in the next episode.